Hello everybody, Crimson here. Now you guys are probably here because you can't get your lower thirds to properly get rid of the black, and you can't keep the black in the lower third, and sometimes just altogether gone because of the chroma keyer. Well, turns out it's wrong, because as you see when I say do my Twitch lower third and I put my chroma keyer on there, on some of them you can get them pretty well if you really lower the thresholds and mess with the whole settings. But so like if you just do it on here anyway with black, you get rid of the black inside of your lower third, which isn't good at all, because sometimes it looks silly, because I see if I play it out it's just really transparent. You don't want that. And now shout out to my boy who actually makes all these lower thirds for me, TNA Viggohf, who actually makes all these for me, and he's actually showing me the proper way to do it. So I'll show you real quick, like with the TikTok one. I actually had done this mistake actually myself yesterday. When I put my lower third on my TikTok one, it takes out the black and the TikTok logo. Well, actually you're not supposed to do that. You're actually supposed to right click on it, go in your properties, and then you also want to make sure resample is disabled, of course, but I'm not using this, it's just an example. You want to go over to media, and then you want to go over to alpha channel, and then you want to select straight unmatted, and then click OK, and then boom, it takes it away and it makes it actually transparent. You can see it there, and it works just fine. I don't know if you can do this for green screens. I'm actually gonna try. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I will also be linking this video in my description on the other video, just in case other people see it. But yeah, shout out to VST for actually showing me how to do this. I actually would have never guessed to do this. I didn't even know you could do this. But yeah, it actually honestly saves a lot of time, because I honestly have spent hours just trying to configure all these different chroma key features and functions just to get it to work, and I just had to click like 3 buttons, and now look, even my Twitch one, it's flawless. There's nothing wrong with it. Everything stays in just how it's supposed to be, which is honestly really nice. But yeah guys, thank you all for watching. More videos soon, and I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.
Sit in the back, ayy, bitches all on my lap. They said, Billy, damn, so cold, I'm so chilly, yeah, my neck froze. Yeah, I'm gonna kill it, I'm thinking I'm like, oh yeah. You think it's a joke? Your girlfriend just text me, she on the way over. Bend that bitch over, fucking the road, but call it a night. Wake up and start over. Hey, shit's so wavy.